English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1. Get rid of, overview, prestigious. Get rid of. Get rid of is a verb. C1 learners usually know get rid of. At C1, get rid of means to make someone or something leave. Here are some examples. She tried to get rid of the smell of smoke in the car. How can we get rid of the weeds without using chemicals? He couldn't do the job, so the company got rid of him. Overview. Overview is a noun. C1 learners usually know overview. An overview is a general review or summary of a subject. Here are some examples. She will give us a brief overview of their work. This gives us a comprehensive overview of the project. Let's start with the overview and then we'll look at the detail. Prestigious. Prestigious is an adjective. C1 learners usually know prestigious. Prestigious means respected and admired. Here are some examples. Oxford and Cambridge are prestigious universities. The winner of the prestigious race was trained in this country. It was the first time that such a prestigious event had taken place there. Now write some of your own sentences with get rid of, overview and prestigious. Download the free C1 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.